Second video, here we go. So just some short stuff for you guys. We have this equation, x1, y1, and this is called point slope form. And what point slope form is another way of doing our y equals mx plus b. So point slope form is this equation here, and instead we have this point right here, and what we want to do is we need to ask, what does x1 and y1 represent? Well, x1 and y1, there's our there's our y1, there's our x1, and the x and y represents the coordinates of a point. That's just like the point over here. If I were to say we have the point 2, 3. 2 is the x and 3 is the y. Okay, moving back over here, what does m represent? Well, for all you kids at home, m represents the slope. We've got that. Time to do some work here. We need to write an equation in point slope form. So that's definitely going to be a big one for us here. The line passes through this point right here, 8, 4. So let's see if we can zoom in on that. Passes through 8, 4 and has a slope of 2, 3. So here's what we're going to do. We have to use the point slope form of the line. This is going to be our x1 and our y1. And it passes through 8, negative 4 and has a slope of this. Circle the x1 and underline the y1. So there's our x1 and there's our y1. Our x1 is going to be 8 and our y1 will be negative 4. Cool. Okay, moving on. Now we have to substitute those into point slope form. So for the y1, when we underline the y1 is a negative 4, like that. We're going to put it in parentheses. Very important when you're dealing with this. So we've got negative 4 there. Our m is our slope, and if we look back up here at our line, has a slope of 2/3. So there's our 2/3 right there. And this is x minus, and our x coordinate is right here, 8. So here's our equation of the line. This is y, and that's minus a minus 4, so that's y, plus 4 is equal to 2/3 parentheses x minus 8. Congratulations, we now have a line in point slope form. Next problem, we're going to show you guys how to do them.